Hi guys, today I'll be showing you my Squishy Collection 2.0. Made them, but then that didn't work. Let's get started. First Squishy is Album Squishy. 1, 2. Millie the Whale. And the Album Baby Bear. Okay. Hello Kitty Squishies. There's Hello Kitty Sweets Cafe. Hello Kitty Face Bun. Pretty Defected. Hello Kitty Popcorn. I got an accident. Hello Kitty homemade biscuit. And that's all. Homemade squishies. This brownie squishy. Cake slice squishy. Piece of cake squishy. Cube squishy. Pacifier squishy. Cake cat squishy. I don't know what that is. Smiley face squishy. This is the squishy. This plate squishy. Puppy squishy. I'm decorating it. Another cake squishy. This donut, still excited. Cookie bite. Cake squishy. Domino squishy. Another piece of cake slice squishy. And cracker squishy. Football cracker. My cake squishy and another squishy. And that is all. Bun squishies. Granite squishies. This bun squishy. This bear squishy. This. Yeah, okay, now macaroon. This is the only macaroon. Tofu squishy. This pink one. And this blue one. Now, dessert squishies. Cupcake squishy. Cake squishy. Waffle squishy. Bread squishy. Bread squishy like the croissants. And this other bread squishy. And I don't know what this is. I think it's Jello. It just kind of is Jello. And then this other bread squishy. And this bread squishy. And that's all. And the bread squishies now. Character squishies. This melon babe. This ghost squishy. And finally about my favorite squishies. Smell like a hot dog, and it is a hot dog. This one's this one's like squishy, but it's also pretty dense, and like the seeds fall. That's all my squishies. Comment down below which one's your favorite squishy with my collection, and plus comment down below also what's your favorite squishy. Is that Iblim or is that Iblim? Oh yeah, and I forgot to announce this squishy, this soccer ball squishy. Yeah. So yeah. squishies or air squishies. Well, not squishies, but like red squishies, love squishy. My favorite squishies are only I love squishies. Yeah. So comment down below which is your favorite squishy from mine, and which is your favorite squishy from your collection. So yeah, the onion or whatever. Yeah, smash it. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and that red click button, and comment down below what type of videos do you want me to do. I'm gonna just lay on that. That'd be funny. Like, you can kind of tell they're both different types of blue.